Hi, it's Debbie Meyer with Landmark Properties, and today we are at one of Flagler Beach's premier waterfront communities. It's called Sunset Inlet. We're located right across the street from the beach. Every house comes with a boat dock, and we're right here on a canal that leads you straight out to the Intercoastal Waterway. It's new construction. Check out the website for more information. And if you're interested in finding out more about the community, there's actually several homes available right now. We'd love to tell you about them and show them to you. And if you live in here, give us a call. We can tell you about our services. Check out the website for more information and give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much. Debbie Meyer, Landmark Properties.